The wealthy don't have better investments. They just have better information. Hedge funds and ultra high net worth individuals don't rely on luck. They use specific metrics like the Sortino ratio or CROCI, cash return on capital invested, used by Goldman Sachs Wealth Management, and cash flow momentum to filter stocks. In my Great Investments program, I break these down into plain English so anyone can learn how to invest with clarity and discipline. No gimmicks, no day trading, no get rich quick, but education. That's the key. If you're serious about understanding how smart investing actually works, start with my free course. Have a look at alpeshpatel.com/links. It's all for education purposes, and that means you're in control, because power comes from the transparency of having the data and the information and from having the knowledge, knowing what to do with it. 99% of the people use my free resources. 1% who go to my sites used the paid version where they have the one-to-one tutorials with me. I stole that idea from Oxford University, the one-to-one educational tutorials. But the 99% who use it for free, they love it as well. I'm happy for them. I want everybody to benefit. Have a look at the link in the bio. Have a look at alpeshpatel.com/links. Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you.